Good morning, everyone. Okay, today we are in Acushnet, Massachusetts, and we are at the Acushnet River Reserve. Now, this is pretty new, give or take a few years. I'm going to start over here. Just going to give you a little introduction as to what this place is. Okay, now we're going to head down path number 1. This is really cool. I came yesterday to check this place out, just to kind of get an idea of what's here, and it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. So we're gonna head down this one. This is a short path, and each path kind of goes in its own direction, its own different part of the river. And like when we first walked in, the placards that have all the information on it are at the end of most of them, if not all of them. So each path you're getting a little bit of information, as to why that path is what it is. Okay, so we are approaching our first one. You see the river right there. And there's the water, the river. See some ducks and birds and stuff enjoying their morning swim. It's a beautiful view this early in the morning. So now we're going to head back down this path we just came down, and we are going to head around to up around this building here. It's an overcast kind of day. Slight breeze. A little muggy. But other than that, it's gorgeous. You still have pieces of the burlap and trees. Yeah, like I said, I came here yesterday to kind of scope the place out, and wow, anybody who has a few minutes of their time, you feel like going out for a walk, this is exactly the place I would suggest. Oh, we haven't seen nothing yet. And you got this. It's kind of like an information house, learning center. So I don't believe they're open right now. So now we'll head down this way. So as soon as you come around the little house here, this is what you're going to see. It's pretty cool how they did this with the steps here. Okay, so now we can either go left or we can go right. The way I did it yesterday is I went to the right. So it just basically kind of goes around and it eventually loops back. So we'll head this way. And now just as you come around that house, you can actually hear some water. And then it's just basically where the water comes out from behind us. So, and we will continue on. See, now I saw this yesterday, and it's kind of interesting. The first two on this little blue sign here are Red Maple Swamp and North River Overlook. But if you look at the last one that points to the right, it says Residential Terrace, private property. Is that private property, let's go check it out, or private property, private property? So, let's go ahead and check it out. Hey, if it's on the sign, then you should be able to check it out. So we'll go as far as we can. I don't want to get in trouble. I don't want to aggravate anybody this early in the morning. So we'll get as close as we can without causing an issue. It's gated off. So I'm assuming it either really is private property or it's open certain times of the year. So I'll go ahead and check it out just a little bit more, a couple more feet. That's interesting though. It's a public area, but then the gate's closed. You can see a little bit of water there. Kind of can't really see it on this side with all the trees, but yeah. Alright, so I guess that's the end of that trail. So we're gonna head back up and continue on to the other two paths that we saw. Yeah, I didn't come this way yesterday when I went to school. When I came to scope out the place, I saw private property, and that was that was good enough for me. I was never one to enter private property or, you know, enter someone's backyard, which I don't think that is, but they probably just don't want people going through there all the time, which is interesting. I don't know why you'd build a path to someone's backyard. So, oops. Alright, so our path is just up here. Okay, and now we're going to turn to the right. This is interesting. Like when they give you little tidbits on what was and why it was, and all right, onward. You gotta love nature though. Absolutely relaxing. Oh no, how am I supposed to get through now? Just kidding. Well, I'll tell you. These right here, I don't know if you can see these yellow ones. These things are all over the place in here. Sounds like they're doing a little bit of work over that way. Ugh, all these roadblocks. We're on the right path. A lot of twists and turns. Don't worry, I won't. Unless it's rabbit season or duck season. Let's go across the rickety bridge. It's actually not a bridge. It's a couple planks of wood. Because I guess it fills up with water and mud in here, so they don't want people's shoes getting all muddy. Through the woods, over the many bridges, on our way to Grandma's house. Boy, they're gonna get to the root of that problem. Whew. Just listen to how quiet it is out here. You know the saying, it's quiet enough where you can hear a pin drop? Well, since I've been here, I've heard about 5 of them drop. So that's how quiet you know it is. Alright, so we will come this way. Do we want to go to the East Meadow or the Sawmill entrance? So we'll check that out. Well, I tell you, when I was a kid, I used to hang out in Acushnet all the time, and they didn't have anything this nice. But I guess it's better. You appreciate it as an adult. Alright, so let's see where this leads to. Okay, so I believe this way, I think that's leaning more towards the exit. So we are going to go this way. Do. Walking. Yeah, I think this path here, off to this side here, I think it meets up where we turned before. Aha, another overlook. We'll head down this way. Go down these really awkward steps. Look at that view. Alright, so now we're going to head back the way we just came, and then we're going to take the other path that goes further down that side. Okay, so now we're going to head this way. Yep, we just came out of there. So it's a left turn out of that path. Oh, that caught my eye. I love that color. Alright, now I do believe this path that we are on now takes us back to that information building, if my memory serves me correctly. You can hear the water. It's flowing right over these trees. Okay, so it in fact does bring us back out to the entrance. Curious. Is this path here that wasn't accounted for? So let's count it. Do 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 do. Let's be honest. There can never be enough paths in this location. I will cover them all. Ah, it's a path, but it's not a path. It's more of a scenic area. Very cool. It's like a selfie spot. Hashtag river. Well, folks, I believe that concludes today's adventure here in Acushnet, Massachusetts, at the Acushnet River Reserve. It is part of the Save Buzzards Bay organization. Hey, I'm always down to save Buzzards Bay. Yeah, I suggest you guys come out here, take a walk around, maybe record some videos, snap some pics. It's beautiful out here. It's not crazy busy. I mean, there were a few people in with me towards the end. I tried not to film them. So, yeah, we're back at the entrance/exit. A little note for you guys if you guys plan on coming out here. Alright everyone, thank you for joining me on today's adventure/nature hike. Like I said, come out, check it out. It's beautiful. It's quiet. So, alright, we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.